Did you see these altcoins explode this week? Here are the three top performers you can't afford to ignore. First up, we got Blast, sitting at 26 cents, up a wild 56.42% in just 7 days. Blast is all about turbocharging Ethereum by offering Layer 2 scaling. Think faster and cheaper transactions without ditching security. Their unique USP: users actually earn yield automatically just by holding assets on Blast. No staking or DeFi tricks needed. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's picking up steam faster than a subway at rush hour. Next, check out Ondo, currently priced at $1.36, blasting up 39.06% this week. Ondo brings the world of real-world assets right onto the blockchain, making stuff like US Treasury bonds and money market funds available to crypto holders. The killer feature here is tokenized assets. Regular folks get access to traditional investments, but without the old-school headaches. Ondo's all about bridging Wall Street and Web3, and people are buying in heavy. And finally, we got Wormhole, sitting at 67 cents, up 37.21% in 7 days. Wormhole is your digital tunnel across blockchains, letting you move assets and data between chains almost instantly. Its big selling point is making different blockchains talk to each other so you don't get stuck in one ecosystem. With the massive growth of multi-chain apps, Wormhole's utility just keeps growing. Think of it like the express train when everyone else is stuck taking local. So you got Blast with automated yield, Ondo linking crypto with real-world assets, and Wormhole breaking down barriers between blockchains. All three are absolutely crushing it this week. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. This is not financial advice.